Hey everyone, this is First Warn Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Brad Panovich. Quick weather update. We have some urban flooding occurring in most of Charlotte South. You can see the radar picture. Flash flood warning is now in effect for the whole southern half of Mecklenburg County until 1:30 in the morning. Here's the problem. I'm going to loop this thing, and you can see this thing basically is not moving. I'm going to loop it a little bit better here. You can kind of see this storm is essentially just sitting right over South Charlotte. This is a very urbanized area. Many of you live here. You know, there's probably more concrete than grass in a lot of these neighborhoods. So rapid runoff of water is going to cause flash flooding. This is a loop that you just see nothing seems to be moving here in the last couple of minutes. In fact, when I look at the 1 hour rainfall totals, everywhere you see red, that's 1 to 2 inches, and in some cases 3 inches in the past hour. When you look at storm totals, you look at these green areas, you're approaching 3 to 4 inches of rain. In fact, let's look at the Finn site, which this is the rain gauges in Charlotte. If you look in the Beverly Woods area, this is around Park South Drive, just near South Park, south of Park Road Park. That red area right there, that's almost 4 inches of rain, and this has just occurred here in the last hour and 15 minutes. Also over here off of Tyvola at the USGS office, this is just off of Old Pineville, east of I-77. We've got some very, very high totals in a short period of time. Throw in the fact the creek cam, this is over off Little Hope Creek on Mockingbird Lane. This is in the Madison Park neighborhood. You can see I'm keeping an eye on this creek because this area floods really quickly, especially when we see these types of downpours that we're getting right now. So we'll go back to the radar. Let me turn the radar back on. Uptown Charlotte, the NC Music Factory, the OAR concert, they've evacuated everybody to the Fillmore. I don't know if they're going to move the concert in there, but they got everyone out of the lightning. Great idea. Up at the track, they had the summer shootout going on. There's lightning in the area, so they told everyone to seek shelter. Great idea. The next question everyone has, is this thing going to move out? This thing's here for at least an hour, maybe more, which means I would think the concert is not going to happen outdoors. And up at the track, you may have to delay for a while. And for most of us, I'm really concerned about the flood threat. This thing is just, frankly, it's not moving at all. And it's pushing an outflow boundary to the north that may kick off more storms. So that's a quick update on the weather. Please do not drive into any standing water. You don't know how deep it is. We always say turn around, don't drown. Of course, I'll keep things up to date on my Facebook and Twitter account, wxbrad, and look me up, Brad Panovich, on Facebook. I'll keep it up to date, as well as wcnc.com. on the air and online at wcnc.com. Again, flash flood warning now in effect for Mecklenburg County till 1:30 in the morning. The worst of it is actually falling over Uptown, but we've seen the highest amounts just south of Uptown.